My name is Andy Piers. We have a stylish one bedroom here for you in one of Alexandria's most convenient locations with shops, restaurants, coffee, and Whole Foods within walking distance. We also have Old Town just a few minutes away. Let's check it out. As you walk in, you're greeted with that modern loft vibe. The soaring concrete ceilings and the open layout create a bright, airy feel that's both stylish and inviting. The kitchen's been beautifully updated with sleek black cabinetry, waterfall edge quartz countertops, and a clean contemporary design. Just beyond the dining area features a custom built-in bar with beverage cooler, perfect for entertaining guests or unwinding. The spacious living area offers plenty of room to relax, work from home, or gather with friends, all while enjoying the natural light that fills the space. As we make our way into the bedroom, you'll find something that's a little harder to come by in a loft-style condo, a true private bedroom with a full wall of windows that fills the room with beautiful western afternoon light. So if you're looking for a designer perfect one bedroom with great light, we've got you covered. Not only that, the building is professionally managed. You have a parking space, a pool, and fitness center. Contact me today for more information. Thanks for checking it out.